guys, welcome back. So I decided to pick up the vlog camera today because why not? It's been a while and you guys seem to really enjoy the vlogs. I don't do them super often, just, you know, maybe once every few months or when I go on a trip or something, but I do like them to just kind of catch up with you guys, hang out, just like kind of chill, do stuff around the house. Those are my kind of favorite vlogs. I always like filming those. I have some on my channel if you guys are new, so I'll link my vlog playlist below so you guys can check it out. But I have plans to update my mood board today. I'm gonna do some cleaning. I have a skincare haul for you guys. I have a jewelry haul, which I think I'm actually gonna start with. So let's get into the mini jewelry haul. So I'm gonna do a little jewelry of the day slash haul because these are all new pieces. And that's because today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which I am so excited about. So I would say I kind of have like a jewelry addiction. It's not something I plan to work on, so that's great because Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral, sustainable company. They're actually the first jewelry company to be climate neutral, which is just insane. Obviously fashion and things like that are very wasteful industries, so it feels really nice wearing pieces that I know come from a company that care about the planet. And they are actually having an amazing sale for Valentine's Day. It's buy one get one 40% off, which is incredible. You know, if you want to send like a not so subtle hint to your boyfriend or girlfriend, like, you know, drop a direct link like this is what I want. I see no shame in that. Here's what I'm wearing today. This first one here is actually an older piece. I just wanted to share it real quick. This is a dome ring from them. I love it, so good. This is something that I wear all the time. And then this one I'm so excited about because it is a bit different for me. I don't have a lot of like color jewelry or like anything with any stones or anything. And this actually has malachite in it. And I do believe that malachite has like good energy, good vibes. Maybe I'll put a picture up on the screen. I'll do some research. But don't these look really stunning together? I feel like they really complement each other, and you know, you could do the buy one and then 40% off. Okay, but now on to my earrings. I have two little new hoops on. I am mixing silver and gold. I know you guys are probably like, who is this woman? If you watch my jewelry hauls, I am all about gold jewelry, but I have recently in 2022, I guess, tried to, you know, dip my toe into the silver pond a little bit. I want to get more silver jewelry to wear, and I think these Huggies were a perfect piece for me to get because they're not too silver, not too out there. They can easily mix with my other gold pieces and they look really cool. I do like a metal mixing moment, so a triple M, you know, I'm into that. So this is a little mini silver Huggie from Ana Luisa. Love, love, love. Also so cute just to wear on your first piercing, just as a more simple everyday hoop. So cute. And then I have some gold hoops that I think just look so good paired with the little Huggies. These are still on the smaller size of hoops and I am very into that right now. I think just like a small dainty hoop is so good for every day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, maybe you've heard that I am trying to add more versatile, like daily, not minimalistic, like things to my collection, things like that. Just stuff that I can get a ton of wear out of, stuff that are just like that girl kind of vibes. But I feel like these are just that. Like they go with everything. They're just like very cool and effortless. It's, you know, it's not too bold, not too out there, but they still are on trend. I'm very into it. So thank you to Ana Luisa for helping me get to that vibe. I'm very excited about these, and if you guys are interested in shopping the sale, I'm gonna have a link below for you guys. I do have an affiliate link, so if you guys want to shop through there, using that link is just a way to support me and support this channel. So thank you guys, I appreciate you, and thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I'll have all of these pieces linked in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into the rest of the vlog. Okay, here is the mood board in question. Mood board is honestly a loose term for just like some magnet slash bulletin boards that I have in my room. These are from IKEA. If they're available, I'll link them, but I do think they're really, really old. So I love these because I can kind of have it be like almost like an artsy kind of thing that's just in my room, so it adds to the decor. But I also can put little sentimental things up there, like obviously me and Marcus at a wedding, my niece, some photo booth photos, little random Polaroids. I do love a lot of these things up here, so I can't imagine I'm throwing much out. So I have some old magazines right here that I will be looking through and chopping things out of, you know, anything that draws inspiration, and I'll hang it up on the board. But like most things, I think I need coffee first, so let's go make that. Also feel like you guys haven't seen Ellie in a while since I haven't vlogged. She's doing good. My old lady, she's still kicking. She's happy, she's eating, she's following me around 24/7 still, aside from when she's sleeping. So let's see if I can sneak out of here to get my coffee without her noticing. I don't know why I feel like my vlog camera footage always looks so like dreary. Like, doesn't it look like cold and blue right now? Like, it's pretty sunny. Why is that? It's just like the lighting in my kitchen is not it, but my brother got me a Yeti cup, or a Yeti mug, sorry, for Christmas, and it's just a dream because I drink my coffee iced. I know most people probably have this for hot coffee because it keeps it really, really hot, but I want my coffee to be like damn near frozen all day long, and this does that. So if you guys are thinking about buying one, I definitely recommend. I am loving mine. Just kind of like a premium experience, and then you have the lid. So just love.
I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me if you want it, baby. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah, you wanted honesty but couldn't find someone you could trust. So let me be your go-to. I could be the one who gives you everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. There's something about this moment, feels so pure. So I gotta know if you got.
Here is the finished product. It's really just, you know, more of the same, just more. The other one was a bit more minimal, so I wanted to add a little bit more to it. So I kept a lot of the original pictures and then just added a few new ones. Yeah, it's really cute. Nothing crazy. I think it's just kind of like a fun little fashion-y thing to have up in my room. Now I think I'm gonna do some cleaning just around my room. My house actually does need a deep clean, but I think I'm gonna do that maybe this weekend. That's just like a whole nother beast that I am not even trying to tackle right now. So I'm just gonna do stuff around my room, like clean some surfaces and then maybe do some laundry. So let's go.
In every song, in every wrong. Beautiful to see the world that way. You'll say yes to anything, believe in what they say. Take a walk with your ultraviolets that fill my soul. Your ultraviolet. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. So I wrote this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone. She knows everything there is to know, and of course she does. Just smile and hush, and in my eyes I'll fall asleep. Your gracious touch is numbing me. My best dark suit I'll wear for free, looking stylish for make-believe. Ooh, you're so smart with your ultraviolets, broken silence. You're ultraviolet anyway. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this.
Okay, put a load of laundry on. My room is clean. I actually also washed my bedding yesterday too, so that feels extra nice. So it's just really peaceful and serene in here while the rest of my house is not up to the same standard, but we'll figure that out later. Now I have a little unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys because I don't have to share it. It was gifted, but I do think you guys will just enjoy seeing it. So this is a little mini Versed haul. If you guys have heard of the brand Versed, They're quickly becoming one of my favorite brands, mainly because of the quality, but also the price point. You can get this stuff at Target or just on their website. They have a lot more options on there. I know I'm holding this, but I want to share like my holy grail product from them. This is my, I think, 4th time getting this product. It's the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. Let me open it up so I can show you guys. They actually do have a refill, I just discovered. So instead of getting a new bottle next time, I'm just gonna get the refill, which I can just keep adding to the same bottle, which is such a good idea. I wish more brands did that because you can save a little bit of money and also waste less packaging. So I think that's great. So this has willow bark extract in a zinc blend. So instead of me like trying to explain what it is, I'm just gonna read the description because that seems like a better idea. So it says, stress, diet, hormones, falling asleep in your makeup one too many times. Sometimes it seems like acne is lurking around every corner, but it's okay, just breathe. That advice applies to both you and your skin. Let it chill out with a clarifying serum designed to remove impurities and manage excess pore clogging. The dynamic trio of willow bark extract, niacinamide, and a zinc blend work together to calm inflammation, the root of skin's problems, decongest pores, and soothe redness, keeping skin's little freakouts at bay. Healthy, balanced skin is on the way. Which I feel like it does exactly that. I feel like it has lessened the amount of time that my breakouts last, which is a huge plus because I feel like there's been times where I have just like this one pimple that I'm like, how am I still covering this up? It feels like it's been here for a year. That's the worst. Like when you just have that one that just like won't go away and it's like in the worst spot. I hate that so much. But this stuff, I promise you, it's amazing. I definitely saw a noticeable change in my skin and it has improved so much since using this. If you're gonna get anything from Verse, I recommend. And then next up, this is a new product for me. I kept getting targeted ads of this lotion. It was like I don't know if he was a dermatologist or an esthetician. He was talking about this and it's a retinol body lotion. So it says you can massage it onto dry skin from the neck down, all over, or use as a spot treatment. So I think I'm gonna use it more so as a spot treatment, maybe on like my elbows, on my hands, on my knees, like places that they say your skin gets thinner and looser over the years. So I can be kind of preventative in that way. It says you can use it daily, morning, and or night. So I'm gonna update you on that. We'll see, maybe I'll share on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. But I am really curious about this because it seems like something good to be using. Next is the product I was holding when I was talking about doing this haul. This is the cleansing balm. This I think is like my 3rd time getting this. I love this stuff for removing makeup. I love using a cleansing balm. I feel like it really gets all of my makeup off and it's way better for you than using makeup wipes. I only use this to remove makeup. It's not like a face wash. It's kind of like the first step in my routine with taking off makeup. And it works really well getting waterproof mascara off. So huge plus with that. Next, I got one of their tinted lip oils. I love these. They're so nice. They're so oily and moisturizing for your lips. It has jojoba oil and vitamin E. And this one has a little bit of a tint. I think this is the berry color. Fig, actually. Really love this. It's really pretty, like with a no makeup look. You just put this on and your lips are super moisturized and have a little bit of a gloss and also a little color. So really love these. They have all different shades for different skin tones, or if you just want, you know, something with a bit of a tint. So love. And then the last thing that I wanted to share is this Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. So I knew I wanted to get a mask. I really have been liking the sheet, they're not sheet masks. They're like mud masks, the ones that I had from them before. And this one actually had a bunch of awards. I think it was like with Glamour and whatever. It said it got like the, you know, one of those like Best in Beauty kind of awards. It was featured in some magazines. So I'm really excited to try this. I wonder if it smells like anything. Oh. 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 It doesn't smell, but it's jiggly. Can you guys see that? I don't know if it's in focus. Can you see? It's jiggly. That's cool. I'll have to share my thoughts. And you guess where I'm going to be sharing them on Instagram, so follow me. But I'm excited since this had such rave reviews. We will see about that. I feel like resurfacing is something that I need like the most out of anything because I just have some acne scars from when I started breaking out really bad in my early 20s. I feel like I got really bad adult acne when I was like 21. That was like, oh, that was a hard year. I think it may be 20 to 21. A little bit into 22. Those were some rough years for my skin. I didn't have it that bad in high school, like normal like teenage acne. It started like as kind of like adult acne, and that was rough. So I don't have so much, like I have some dark spots, but I feel like sometimes I can see like some just texture from the scarring. I just need like a little extra help in that area. So we will see about that. But yeah, how is your year going, you guys? How is your 2022 so far? Very curious how that's going. I know that it's only January, but it does feel like January has been a year long. And you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm actually really enjoying the fact that January has been moving so slowly, because I feel like I'm usually saying, how is it already January 27th? Like, what do you mean? I cannot believe it's only January 27th. It feels like it should be February 15th. Like, that's how slow this month has gone by for me, in a good way. Like, I'm enjoying, this feels like how life should be. Like, I wish days went by slower. I feel like things are always just going by so fast and I just can't grasp it. But this month I'm like, wow, okay. Like, I've read like 4 books already and I feel like I have time to read a few more. Like, that's how slow this month has been going by, which is good though, because I'm getting, I think, a lot done. I don't know. I'm getting some things done. It's fine. I'm just enjoying it, you know? But yeah, how's your life? That's a loaded question. How's it going for you guys? How's 2022? Comment below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. I know it's like not like my normal vlogs where I take you through a lot of my day. This was just kind of a few hours in my random Thursday. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment below what you thought of this video, and if you guys want to see more vlogs, I'm happy to do that. Shout out to Luisa for collaborating with me on today's video. Make sure you guys check out the sales. And if it's still January when this video goes up, like, explain that to me. That doesn't make sense. All right, bye.